going on, guys? Fourth day of vacation here. It's Nicole Charnel. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I make videos on healthy intentional living, and in today's video, I'm still on vacation. Living large in the pool. Just chilling today. Come chill with me.
I can't even sit on that, baby. It's hot out here today.
Before we get into it, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm trying to hit 5K and I need your help. Also, follow me on Instagram. There I post healthy intentional living tips and more about my businesses. Now back to the video. Wall of windows is giving me daylight life. Today's video, I just haven't been wanting to talk to the camera. It's literally 6 p.m. and this is my first time speaking to the camera, but I've been filming all day. So what else did I do today? Got in the pool. Spent a lot of time in the pool, more time than I thought, because originally today was supposed to rain a lot, but the weather changed, which is great because the kids are enjoying the pool now more. But I was in the pool for like 2 hours. It felt like 2 hours at least. Then I went ahead and cooked dinner. It's Tuesday, so it's tacos. So I cooked dinner. I cooked the beef, chicken, shrimp for the tacos, and then rice and beans for the side. And yeah, that's all I did. Nothing exciting, but a good vacation day nonetheless. Now I'm probably about to do some computer work. Yeah, gonna do some work on the computer, probably save some files, save the vlogs into a folder. Like, it's really getting me excited about putting my vlog footage into a folder so I can go into the said folder and make a video from it. It's the little things. The organization of it. Super excited. If I sound like I'm whispering, it's because my nephew is in the room sleeping, so try to be quiet. But yeah, I highly recommend when you go on vacation, take a little time to like a social media break, and like just so you can really just focus on you and like focus on your thoughts and the things you need to do. I feel like the more I'm on social media, the more I'm thinking well, this person's doing this person is doing that, what do I need to do that way, instead of thinking inward and like, okay, what do I need to do for me, and not comparing myself to others. So, but that's always been my problem with social media, and that's why I like was off Facebook for so long, and like deleted my Facebook, deleted my all my Instagram photos, like started over with Instagram, just because I'm like that person that's always comparing. I'm not even gonna lie. So I just have to find ways to not do that, basically. And one of the ways is just being off social media for a while, just not getting on it so much. So yeah, I think I've been on it once today. I posted a video on my story, a picture of my stories, and that was it. But it's good for you, definitely good for you. Anyway, about to do some computer work and then eat some tacos. They're going to be yummy. Scrumptious. They're going to be good.